none of my friends are perfect. Then which of the following is correct translation? See, to solve this kind of problem, let's say that there exists some friend which are perfect. Before this statement, if we apply not, it means none of my friend, it will become none of my friend is perfect. This statement is simplified statement of this statement. There exists some friend means at least one friend is there which is my friend and is perfect. If we apply not before this means that one friend is also doesn't exist, means none of my friend is perfect. So I will write this: there exists some friend, there exists some person X which is my friend and he is perfect. From here to here, this is the statement. Now I will apply not, then it says that none of my friend is perfect. From here to here, it is none of my friend is perfect. So option D is correct. Now see how option A is wrong. There exists some person which is my friend but he is not perfect. There exists some person which is my friend but not perfect. There exists some person which is not my friend but perfect. There is some person which is not my friend and not perfect. So all are wrong, only D is correct.